Dan from Dan Likes to Eat. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make cream puffs. Oh, I love cream puffs. I could eat them all day, except if I eat too many, they give me a tummy ache. And to my regular 36 viewers, in case you didn't catch it from the intro, this video is a cooking for kids video. Doesn't mean you can't watch and enjoy, it just means it's gonna be super easy and super fun, and I'm gonna be super dorky! Alright, okay, let's make cream puffs. This video is going out to 3 of my very favorite kids, Hope, Faith, Jonathan. Are you with me? Are you gonna make cream puffs with me? Let's go! Yeah! Enough of that silly business. It's time to get serious. Here are the things that you're gonna need to make cream puffs the awesome way. Ready? Let's go! The first thing you're gonna need to make cream puffs is a pot. Ta-da! Oh yeah! We're ready to go. Can we just take a minute to appreciate my brand new cool apron? Check that out. Dan Likes to Eat. So cool! To start off, we're gonna make the puff part, not the cream part. The cream comes second. For the puffs, here's what you're gonna need. Half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar. Oh, I love sugar. 1 cup of water. You're gonna need a half a cup of butter. That is 1 stick. You're gonna have 1 cup of flour. I used a measuring cup to measure this out right before this. Put it in there, ding, ding, ding. Perfect, good to go. Bing! The last thing you're gonna need is 4 eggs, or in Spanish, that's cuatro huevos. Come on over to my stove, Hope, Faith, and Jonathan, and let me show you how to do it. Okay, put your water in there, your salt, get that in there, your sugar, yum, 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 then your butter, no. Then your butter, that's better. Okay, now we got it going on the stove. Let's stir it a little bit. Perfect! Don't forget to take the wrapper off the butter. We've got our ingredients in there. We're gonna hold off on the flour and the eggs. We're gonna let this come to a rolling boil. Oh hey, you're still watching. Good. Is it going okay? Are you having any problems? Did you spill water everywhere like I did? It's at a rolling boil. Time to add the other things. You're gonna put your flour in the pot and you're gonna just stir that up. Stir, stir, stir until it becomes nice and smooth. You don't wanna see any flour. You want it to be all mixed together really nicely until it's nice and smooth like this. Once it's smooth, like you can see here, you're gonna go ahead and remove it from the heat and set it aside to let it cool. This part is really boring. You just sit, run around the house, take a lap. Okay, I ran around the house. And my house is like 10 feet big, so it took me like 1 second. Fun fact, I live in New York City, so I live in an apartment, not a house. And it's pretty tiny. I'm not gonna show it to you because it's a little bit messy right now. It's time to crack the eggs. I'm gonna crack the eggs into a separate bowl first, just to make sure I don't get any shells in the dough. Could you imagine a crunchy cream puff? Ah! Crack. It got on my finger! Ah! Egg hands! Once your dough is cool, you're gonna slowly add your eggs. I like to do it 2 at a time, and then you are gonna mix until you pretty much can't mix anymore. It needs to be super smooth. So mix, 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 mix until you're ready for the next 2 eggs, and then mix some more. You know what? How about we listen to some music while we do this? Oh yeah. And even if your arm hurts a little bit from stirring, you have to keep going, okay? We're almost there. Let's keep going. Now that you got your arm workout for the day, I hope you took turns stirring, by the way. Hope and Faith, you both stir a little bit, okay? But you want it to be this creamy, smooth consistency. Check this out. It's super creamy. Now it's time to put the cream puffs on the tray.
Spray on the tray, spray on the tray. Spray on the tray.
We've got our spray. on the tray. Let's get going. Okay, time to put the dough in the bag. Let's go. This dough is super sticky. It's really difficult to work with, so just be careful as you're putting it in there. It's not going to do any harm, but it will make you messy. So, you know, try to stay as clean as possible, and when it does get everywhere, just take a bath. See, it's difficult, okay? Super difficult to get it in there, but once it's in there, you'll thank yourself because the dough is not easy to work with. Oh my gosh, I'm so messy! It's sticking to everything! See how messy that is? Ah! Let's make cream puffs. Okay, now you get to pipe them onto the tray. This should be the fun part. It can also be messy. Go for it. They don't have to be that big, but it's not going to hurt if they are big. Okay, now that our cream puffs are on the tray, we're going to go over them with an egg wash. I'll teach you how to make an egg wash. Ready? Go!
Crack an egg into a bowl and stir it with a fork. Beat it a little bit. Fork with a whisk.
And then you're going to put a tablespoon of water in there. And then you're going to whisk it a little bit more. Try not to get any on the floor. I recommend doing this over the counter. I'm only doing this over the floor because I'm a professional.
Now we have our egg wash. We're ready to just lay that right on top of those cream puffs. Come on, guys.
Don't forget to preset your oven to 375 degrees. That'll help you out in like a few minutes when they're ready to go in. Oh yeah, don't forget to flatten the tops, otherwise they'll get burnt and crispy. Okay, get your egg wash on there and they are ready to go. Our cream puffs are washed and they're ready to bake. Yeah! We're gonna put them in the oven. They're gonna stay in there for 20 to 30 minutes. Now, it depends on your oven. It truly does. Hey Siri, set a timer for 20 minutes. Thank you, Siri. Set a timer for 20 minutes. Check on them. If they're starting to get too brown on top,
take them out.
If they're not too brown, give them another 5 minutes. It'll be totally good for them. Okay, now that the cream puffs are baking away, we are gonna make some cream. Boom! Hey, mom or dad or whoever's helping you out, you can make cream however you like. This is the easy way that I like to do it. There's a lot of different ways, but we're gonna go the super easy route today. I've got a pack of vanilla Jell-O pudding, and I'm gonna use the mix from this to help it give flavor, and this will be the sugar. I won't add any additional sugar, anything like that. I'm gonna use half a pack today because I don't want a lot of leftover cream. You can use a whole pack if you made extra cream puffs. Oh, I love cream puffs. Okay.
Let's get serious.
I'm gonna use half of the mix and a quarter of the liquid that it calls for. So this says if you're using the whole pack, use 2 cups of cold milk. I'm gonna use half the pack and a half a cup of cold milk. Okay, ready? Here we go. Once you're done whisking that pudding up, pop it in the fridge. It'll be ready by the time our whipping cream is done. Now let's make some whipping cream. Whipping cream is pretty self-explanatory, but you're gonna wanna whip it until you get soft to medium hard peaks. Once your whipping cream is ready and your pudding has chilled for about 10 minutes, you're going to fold the pudding into the whipping cream. Fold, don't stir. When you mix in the pudding with the whipped cream, you don't want to stir it, you want to fold it. So, Faith and Hope, you're going to learn how to fold. Dig deep in and you turn it over. You don't stir it together, but you do flip it, keep turning it upside down and flipping it over, and that's how you're gonna get it. It's gonna take a little bit longer, but trust me, it's gonna be so tasty. Actually, let's try it. I love it! It's been 20 minutes. It's time to check on the cream puffs. Ba-da! Take a look at these. They're starting to be golden brown on top, but they still look a little wet. I'm gonna give it 2 more minutes in the oven. It's been 2 more minutes. Let's see what happens. These are perfect. Check that out. Now we have to wait more. We have to wait some more. Ah! Yeah, we gotta wait like 20 or 30 minutes before we fill these bad boys. Let them cool down and then we'll fill them and eat them. Oh yes, please get in my tummy, cream puff. Our cream puffs are cooled down. They're ready to go. Let's fill them. You're gonna take the cream puff, get the bottom of it, take that sharp part, poke it on in there, and then squeeze the bag. You'll feel the cream puff start filling up, and if you want to experiment, you can fill it a little too full, and it will explode, and that's very fun. Okay, so there you go. This is a very good job for 2 people. One to hold the cream puff and one to hold this with 2 hands like that so you can pierce it better. And it will take some time, so just practice and see what happens. See what happens when you fill it too full? It comes out the top. And that's okay, because it's so tasty. Mmm. We have a plate full of filled cream puffs. You can even see the cream coming out of this one. Oh yeah. Now it's time to eat them. You can only eat as many as your mom or dad says you can eat, okay? No more. I love them so much. You guys, you did it. You made cream puffs. I am so proud of you. Let me know how they turned out, okay? Comment below. Tell me how they turned out. Send me a picture, something. I want to know how this went for you. Also, what would you like to make next? What if Dan Likes to Eat does another kids video? Thinking about it. Okay. Oh, there's a little bit of cream right there. Okay. Oh no. Oh, this one has cream poking out of it. I better eat it. I'm just gonna eat it real quick. Is that the only right way to eat cream puffs? You don't have to get messy, right? I love them so much. I love cream puffs so much. Thanks for joining me for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a great day. Alright, bye! Oh, the instructions on what to do with the leftover cream. If you have leftover cream and no more cream puffs to put it in, this is what you do with the leftovers. Oh no, I love cream too much. Oh no, oh I have to go shower.